To withdraw money from Bybit to Bybit. Now, first of all, make sure to open your Bybit app and log into your account. Now, money in this case, it will be one of these cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, any kind of crypto that you have on your Bybit account. Now, to be able to withdraw money from Bybit to Bybit, first of all, tap on Assets and now tap on Withdraw. Now, for example, I will use the USDT in this example. After that, tap on USDT. Now, after that, what you need to do, to be able to transfer or to withdraw from Bybit to another Bybit account, we need to select the internal transfer, not on chain. So after you select the internal transfer, as you can see here, the recipient account, if you have the email of that recipient, you can provide it here. And if you have the mobile, you can provide it here too, as you can see. And if you have the UID, the user ID of that Bybit account, you can provide it. So after you provide your recipient account, you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw to that Bybit account. After that, as you can see, first of all, you see this is with zero fee, so you don't have to pay any fee for that service. And after that, tap on withdraw, and you can now withdraw money from Bybit to Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.